Alright, this is a trade recap today. Um, this one was pretty confusing because, well, we can't be looking at daily for everything, obviously, but this is a pretty big uptrend overall. So if we were going to use that inner bias, um, and ES was able to close above this, which is pretty big. So I was mainly bullish, but 4 hour. The one thing that we need to look out for though is there was a giant sweep. So the daily time frame, like that stuff could happen in 2 days, 3 days, one day. So we can't always rely on that. And before market open, it comes, takes out London and New York PM. Nasdaq, same thing. And we obviously see a reaction off of this, right? When market opens, pretty big candle down, breaks structure, comes back up, retraces essentially right away, but I was not going to enter off of that. Comes down, sweeps New York session lunch. The only reason that you wouldn't enter off of just this slight retrace is because this is areas of liquidity now, and this was the final sweep. And one thing that can be taken into a mind is that, okay, look, Nasdaq hits New York lunch, ES doesn't. That created a pretty big SMT, and the only thing that disregarded this was you go into 1 minute. So, rejection block right here. It created an SMT, which was really good for me. So after this retracement, all I was really looking for, and since I had an SMT there, I was pretty confident in this trade. Nasdaq being the leading, Nasdaq retraced really nicely too. It retraced higher than Nasdaq did, which is even better. Which obviously creates an SMT. Beautifully filled this fair value gap. Equilibrium too. Nasdaq, we get a break of structure down, enter short, take profits here, and you can see the rest of the trade of how it played out.